Now we can stop talking. Now we can stop talking.
Yeah, this was an ASMR video, you guys.
And this is my camera up above you guys. So.
Yeah, and this is my slime. Yeah, I just let her borrow some.
Because I don't have no slime.
Yeah, her mom and dad won't buy her no slime.
But I did make some, but my sisters Made me throw it in the trash.
It's her little baby sisters because they kept on messing with it. And I'm guessing her daddy just got really mad.
I like my beautiful slime swirl. Can you do one just like this on them?
Yeah, probably. I don't know if I have enough.
Because we have the same amount of slime swirl. Pretty sure we can do it. If y'all hear that music in the background, that is from
My brother.
Or her sister.
No, it's my brother.
I bet it's your sister though.
No.
Yeah, I bet it's your
Who was not? It's Cody. See, it's a look.
No, let me show you. Something else. You.
That's what I just now did. See? I'm lighting it up.
That gets a better crunch. I didn't notice that until now.
Sorry that the table is shaking so much.
Because this is not a leveled table that much. So. And I gotta scoop my chair up some more.
I'm the one that has shorts on and it hurts my butt.
I'm the one that don't because I have leggings. So that's why it don't hurt.
See, it's I go like this. Like this. That looks like a boot. And I go.
I'm gonna do.
Oh, it's a. There's a bubble. Do you see? Do y'all guys see that?
Hey!
Do y'all guys see that bubble right there? Say it in the comments down below if y'all do. Bet you nobody's even gonna watch this video, but
They might.
I don't know.
Lean that back a little. See, I got it better.
No.
Like, no, not like that.
Yes.
Like in the middle, so they can see us and the slime. Most of it's facing at you, woman. Scoot.
No, there's no more room.
What kind of video was that? A picture, whatever it's called.
It's a picture. It's my tattoo.
Pretend you're my mama.
No.
Can we play house?
No.
Hey! Bongy, bongy, bongy. Guys,
I need a little bit more.
then we don't have the same amount.
I'll give you it back. It's my slime anyway.
But you said I could play with it.
No,
And you said you wasn't going to take that back out of this right now.
I didn't. I never said that. You must be hearing stuff.
I heard you say that in the living room when I was on Day.
I didn't say that. Not once.
I'm going to
We argue all the time because of her. She don't always come to my house because she says that I'm a meanie.
Cover up the camera. Whoa.
What if my camera was that bad it would look like that? I won't post any videos.
For real though, isn't it look disgusting?
Yeah, everybody would be so annoyed.
What the frick happened?
Yeah, it just happened. Cut on the light. I forgot to turn on the light. It's kind of dark. That is way better.
For real though, and my camera is getting better too now. Got better now too.
Y'all should go look up my Musical.ly account. It's Autumn 10 Murray.
You should see my vlog.
She don't have no Musical.ly account though.
Yes, I do. It's called It's JoJo Siwa.
No, that's not you, Issa. That's JoJo Siwa.
There's more names.
No, there isn't.
Yes, they are.
No, there ain't, Issa. I already looked it up and it only popped up one, and it was her Musical.ly. Because remember that one time you told me that was yours? Wasn't. It was only JoJo's. Whoa. What if my camera was like this, you guys? Would y'all ever watch my videos?
They would probably.
They'd probably say no. Y'all can't even see anything. So what's the point of watching them if you can't see anything?
Try to do a slime swirl like this, guys. If you're watching this video and it has
If y'all are watching this video, do y'all see 3 bubbles? I see one. Right
I see one.
there.
I have a
Right
phone in mine.
here. Yeah, I
Oh,
have
it looks
a
like
lot.
the cinnamon roll that I just now ate.
I
I
love doing that.
It ain't pretty now. It's you. And I had it pretty, like.
The freak.
Sausage.
Ew.
Okay. Now we're going to shut up.
I'm joking, you guys. It don't.
Oh, see, it makes it stretchier.
We're trying to make the intro, you guys. So it's the intro. Oh, I need to do a swirl too. We both hold up our swirls. Wait a second.
You're so like Dookie.
Wait, we gotta. Mine's better.